guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, like you can see, I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 7. It was released today and we have our hands on the Apple Watch Series 7 and a couple of bands for the watch and the Magsafe Duo charger. Let's unbox all of these and check out what it's like. Before we get into this video, I want to let you guys know that I have recently unboxed the iPhone 13 Pro Max on this channel. If you want to check that out, I will have it linked right here. Click on it to view it. If you want to watch the review of this watch, which is coming very soon, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get on with this video. Come on. I have the Apple Watch Series 7 in 41mm. It has a titanium casing and let's unbox it. There are two boxes in here. The first one is this box. It feels empty. And it is empty. This is what this box looks like. Box in a box. Here is the Apple Watch, and here's some paperwork. It says Apple Watch Edition. And some more paperwork, and it comes with a gray band in it. Interesting. And then in the box is the charging cable. This is the fast charging cable that is only compatible with the Series 7 Apple Watch, which helps it charge 33 times faster. I'm super excited to try this out and see all the fast charging capabilities. And here is the Apple Watch itself. It says 41mm right here. And I guess we can just slide it out. Next we have the Sport Band in Midnight. This is again the 41mm. So it says Apple Watch on here. And here's the band. I finally see what people have been talking about when they say Midnight has a blue hue. It's not completely black, it's a dark blue. Just like the sky would look at night. Next we have the Braided Solo Loop in Abyss Blue. I got this in a size 4 and hopefully it should fit my wrist. The last time I got it measured at the Apple store, they said I was a size 4, so hopefully this should fit. Next is the band that I have been the most excited for. This is the Apple Watch Hermes band. It comes in the signature orange box like all Hermes stuff, and it feels premium, just the unboxing experience. It says designed by Apple in California and Hermes in Paris. In here is the band. Next we have the Magsafe Duo charger. This is the first year I got into the Apple ecosystem. This was the first time I got an iPhone, so this will come in handy when I'm using the iPhone and the Apple Watch. One thing to remember is this Magsafe Duo charger will not charge your Apple Watch Series 7 faster like the charging cable that comes with it, but it's easier to travel with and very convenient, and since I'm a flight instructor, I fly a lot, this is easy to put in my bag and take with me. This looks great too. Here is the Duo charger. This looks super pretty and the finish is beautiful. It has a lightning port right here and a USB Type-C to lightning cable in the box. Helps you charge and helps you carry this easily. UAG sent over a few of their products and here we are unboxing the bands they sent over for the Apple Watch Series 7. These bands are for the 45mm Apple Watch, so these don't fit mine, but they are great for outdoor use. A huge thanks to UAG for sending out all these watch bands.